Welcome, in front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't gain any access to your phone and it will not accept your parent to log in. So the first thing that you should consider is taking your time and trying to remember your pattern to unlock your phone. This will save you a lot of time. This might also save your personal files stored on your device. And if you really can't do this, then you should first thing you should consider is reaching out to INFINIX customer service and telling them about your situation. If you can confirm the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you out with your problem and help you regain access to your smartphone. But if you didn't succeed doing that, then the other option that you have is factory reset. You can perform factory reset using recovery on your phone. We have a video on our channel on how to do that. If you're interested, check it out. And you can also do it remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your device and your Google account connected to this device. In this case, you will be able to log into your Google account on any other device and erase all data from this phone remotely, and then regain access to this phone. And these are all the options that you have. I hope that I helped you, and if I did, then please consider subscribing to our channel. If you like this video, let us know about it in the comments, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.